Today's West Kelowna gas fireplace HVAC question is, how do I clean a gas fireplace the right way? And more importantly, how do I know when it needs cleaning? Let's start with how do I know when it needs cleaning? So the main things are pilot light issues. So if you're having trouble getting it started, chances are it needs some cleaning. A rotten egg smell, any sort of smell like rotten eggs means danger, so get out of there and call somebody right away. The third thing would be too much soot. It's all dirty in there and filling up. The glass is not looking the way it's supposed to look. It switches on and off by itself, like it's controlled by a ghost. Again, another reason to get it cleaned and get somebody to look at it, whether it's a HVAC technician or a ghostbuster. Okay, and then finally, the wear and tear. So if it's starting to look worn and torn, it probably is worn and torn. They recommend that you clean them monthly, that you have maintenance done on it at least once a year and probably twice a year. So I think a lot of us let our fireplaces sit when they require a fair bit of maintenance. So if you have any questions about that, just reach out to our team at Total Plumbing and Heating. They'll make sure that you get taken care of properly. Okay, I hope that answers the question about West Kelowna fireplaces.